We all die. But does that mean our lives are meaningless? Does that mean that there was no point in our being born? Would you say that of our slain comrades? What about their lives? Were they meaningless? They were not! Their memory serves as an example to us all! The courageous fallen! The anguished fallen! Their lives have meaning because we, the living, refuse to forget them! And as we ride to certain death, we trust our successors to do the same for us! Because my soldiers do not buckle or yield when faced with the cruelty of this world! My soldiers push forward! My soldiers scream out! My soldiers live!
I got red shooters, I got blue. Let that thing down and point at you. Billy or the Rari, hold that you. We gon' ride the thing, bring the loot. We gon' take that boy back to school. Money on the floor just like shoes. Money on the floor just like shoes. I'ma fuck it, that shit just a swell. I'ma fuck it, that shit just a swell. Yeah, and I love my guns. Yeah, and I love my toes. Yeah, and I love my lows. Yeah, fuck with me, you gon' lose. Don't talk to me, just talk to my little dude. Don't talk to me, just talk to my little dude. Walk up with my coolie, what they do? Meet me in the alley with the troops. I got red shoes, I got blue. Let that thing down and point at you. Billy or the Rari, hold that you. We gon' ride the thing, bring the loot. We gon' take that boy back to school.